Welcome to the admin panel of network marketing system developed by Concept, where admin have full control over the system. Admin can log in with credentials. Once logged in, the admin dashboard provides a complete summary and statistics. In the App Settings menu, admin can view settings categories and settings. In the User Management section, admin can view a complete list of all users. Admin can view users' details by clicking the View Action button. In User Details view, admin will get user information, user balance, user orders, user downline cell, user duals with all the dual submenu, and user unilevel with all unilevel submenu. In the Transactions menu, admin can view the order list and the pending order list, where admin can confirm the payment by clicking the confirmation action. Here we can see the order ID 468 is confirmed now. In Product section, admin can view the product list, where admin can add new product. Also, update and delete the product by clicking Edit action. In Product Category section, admin will get the category list, can add new category or subcategories, also can edit or delete existing category. In Download section, admin can view the document list, where admin can view any documents details by clicking the View action. Also can add new document. Then the Document Category section, admin will get that category list, where admin can add a new document category. In Coupon section, admin can view the coupon list, where admin can add new coupon. Then in the Coupon Category section, admin will get the coupon category list, where admin can add a new coupon category. Under Dual Commission section, admin can view the eligible users, different types of commissions like payout, commissions, step payouts, admin adjustment, then point history and settings, where admin can view the setting details and also can edit dual settings by clicking the Edit actions. In the Unilevel Commission menu, admin can view the eligible users, different types of commission like payout, commissions, admin adjustment, then point history, title history, generation bonus, sponsor bonus, and settings, where admin can view the settings details and also can edit unilevel setting by clicking the Edit action. In the Active Countries section, admin can view the active country list and also can add new active country. In the Announcement section, admin can view the announcement list and details, also can add new announcements. We also have an access control system where admins with different roles can access specific features that we have already discussed in our member panel video. You can check out the member panel overview in our channel. In our platform, currently KYC and product delivery is in the testing phase. We have more network marketing features in our development pipeline. Thank you for watching the admin panel overview.